Why is the comma so important, especially in the OET writing subtest? Because even if your grammar and vocabulary are strong, misplaced or missing commas can confuse your reader and hurt your score. Remember, you are writing a formal letter. Clarity, logic, and flow are key. And commas help with all three. Top 5 rules for using commas. Rule 1. Use a comma to separate independent clauses. An independent clause is a complete sentence on its own. If you connect it with another using a coordinating conjunction like and, but, or so, use a comma before the conjunction. For example, Mr. Kyment was recommended physiotherapy and he will begin his sessions next week. Rule 2. Use a comma after an introductory phrase or clause. If a sentence begins with a phrase like during the consultation or after the operation, place a comma after it. Example: during his last consultation, Mr. Smith reported improved mobility after his knee replacement surgery. Rule 3. Use commas to separate items in a series. When listing 3 or more items, use commas between them. The comma before the final item, called the Oxford comma, is preferred in formal writing. Example: I advised Ms. Davis to eat a balanced diet, increase her physical activity, and attend regular checkups for monitoring her diabetes. Rule 4. Use commas to set off non-essential information. If the extra information can be removed without changing the main idea, use commas around it. Example: Ms. Ferrigo, despite experiencing mild discomfort post-surgery, is recovering well and eager to return home. Rule 5. Use a comma after a dependent clause at the beginning of a sentence. When a sentence starts with words like although, while, if, or because, use a comma after the clause. Example: although Mr. Johnson has made some improvement, he still requires ongoing monitoring of his blood pressure. Common mistakes to avoid. Error 1. Comma splice joining two sentences with just a comma. Incorrect. Dr. Lee checked the patient's lab results. He didn't find anything wrong. Correct. Dr. Lee checked the patient's lab results, and he didn't find anything wrong. Error 2. Using a comma with a defining relative clause. If the clause is essential to identify the subject, don't use a comma. Incorrect. The patient who has type 2 diabetes should continue taking insulin. Correct. The patient who has type 2 diabetes should continue taking insulin. Error 3. Unnecessary comma between two related actions. If the same subject is doing both actions, don't separate them with a comma. Incorrect. Mrs. Brown has a checkup next week and also needs more tests. Correct. Mrs. Brown has a checkup next week and also needs more tests. Commas may be small, but they carry a lot of weight in your OET writing test. Master these 5 rules, avoid common mistakes, and your writing will be clearer, more professional, and more impactful. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more videos like this. Need feedback on your writing or practice materials? Message us with OET Writing Help, and we'll send you resources tailored to your profession. Thanks for watching OET 2.0 online classroom, where your success story begins. See you in the next lesson.